People in this fast-paced era need convenience in life, one of which is the use of plastic as packaging and ready-to-eat food, which is mostly made by frying. So that the demand for plastic and cooking oil remains high. We can find the need and use of plastic and cooking oil in various places, for example homes, office buildings, restaurants, malls, entertainment venues, cafes and food stalls. And of course from these various places we will find plastic waste and used cooking oil, both disposed of properly or carelessly, which will cause environmental pollution. Together with Greenology, we invite you to start collecting plastic waste and used cooking oil for recycling very easily. Only through the application on the smartphone, we will pick up the waste. When the vehicle to pick up plastic waste and used cooking oil arrives, we will check and transport the waste to the factory for recycling. As a reward for the initiative to collect waste, we provide gift vouchers according to the quantity of waste. You can use these gift vouchers at supermarkets or stores that have become our partners to purchase certain products that fall within our criteria. Besides that, it can also be used at partner e-commerce to get a discount. Greenology is supporting Government of Indonesia for green taxonomy, for a better future.